I do not want to buy Kroger at $49.16. I want to buy it like much lower than that because my value for Kroger, that's way overvalued for me. I think a good valuation would be around $40. So you would do the second strategy, and that is selling cash secured puts. So you did your research, you did your valuation, and you're just like, I can't really buy Kroger at $49.16. It is way too expensive. It's way more expensive than its food prices right now, and I'm not going to buy it if it's at $49.16. What you need in your account is less than $49.16. So we're going to go to the strike price that we wanted at. We said we would feel comfortable buying Kroger at $40. We're like, this is a great company. I love it. I want to own it. I just don't like this price. So we're just going to, again, twiddle our thumbs and just wait and collect money while we're waiting. For this one, I'm going to go a little bit further out. We're going to go to April 19th. So for this one, I'm looking at a strike price of around 40, which means that we need to have $4,000 in our account. Remember, this is cash secured. We need something to secure the put, to sell the put. We're not going into margin because, again, that's really risky. We are going to have $4,000 worth of cash. We're looking at the bid and ask, so we can collect between $5 to $7 just to wait for the stock to literally fall in our laps. And we can see that the delta is 0.02 that we will get assigned. So we're probably most definitely 98% chance we won't get assigned. What I would do in this instance is go to at least a 10% delta because right now you're really not getting much premium. I would be happy with owning shares at 44. So that's what I would personally do. Again, 10 delta is very conservative. I'm going to select the 44, which means I need to have $4,400 in my account. And if you want it right away, you can choose the bid. So you can get $23 for it. If you're going to have cash reserves of $4,400 and you're picking $23, that's a 0.5% return. I'm happy with a 0.5% return in about a month. Now, if you're doing this because you want more premium, I would definitely choose a higher delta. If you're doing this because you actually want to buy the company at a very fair value, I would keep the strike price. It's a beautiful thing. Cash secured puts are a beautiful thing, and it actually helps you hedge your investing portfolio because you can get at prices that are even lower while you're making money from it. And now let's go into my third favorite strategy, which combines the two together. And I use this all the time. It's called the wheel strategy.